comes up over South Georgia pines. Dew on the rose and the day on my mind. Old International's waiting by the barn door wide. Red paint faded, but you still got pride. Got a tank full of diesel and a list a mile long, but that's just summertime where a farm boy belongs. It's spraying and fertilizing, keeping them rows in line, irrigating fields in the heat that'll melt your spine. Working on equipment till the daylight's gone, but this red clay life is where my heart stays strong. Yeah, it's sweat, dirt, and sunshine, just a South Georgia summertime. Grease on my hands and mud on my boots, trying to keep the old pump humming true. Daddy taught me young how to wrench and pray. Fix it right, son, or you'll fix it all day. Cicadas sing back up while the sprinklers spin, and the good Lord sends rain when he's ready again. It's spraying and fertilizing, keeping them rows in line, irrigating fields in a heat that'll melt your spine. Working on equipment till the daylight's gone, but this red clay life is where my heart stays strong. Yeah, sweat, dirt, and sunshine, just a South Georgia summertime. Some folks chase money, some chase fame, but I'm just chasing daylight and my family name. Every bolt I tighten, every field I tend, feels like shaking hands with my roots again. It's spraying and fertilizing, keeping them rows in line, irrigating fields in the heat that'll melt your spine. Working on equipment till the stars come on, but this red clay life is where my heart stays strong. Yeah, sweat, dirt, and sunshine, just a South Georgia summertime. Sunrise peeking through the pines, winter's chill is fading fast. That old barn door swings wide, ready for a brand new task. The last cold days of winter soften into spring's embrace. Time to roll that green machine out, put a smile on my face. Feel the earth beneath my boots, anticipate